a birthday wish to Yessie?
Oh, it's a video? See, I can't be doing that because she's over there. Okay. What do you want to go with your phone? You're here.
Okay, come on.
No, it's you.
No, let's do you.
We're going in order. Do you first. I'm going to sit here.
Gotta say. How surprised were you when you came?
No. So surprised.
Gracias. Right? So, we're here interviewing Samantha Karma, aka Bologna, aka Salami, aka Puss. So, Karma, what do you gotta say?
Well, I'm freaking hella heated right now because this meal is freaking spicy.
She's like,
My freaking tongue is burning, and then they give me soda, which doesn't help. It makes it more spicy. So yeah, I'm pretty good right now. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Okay.
that's all you gotta say to me?
Yeah.
That's it? After all these years of knowing you, that's it? Just happy birthday?
Well, everything else is too personal.
It's right here. They put it over here. Here you go. Moving on. Let's see what Naka Face has to say.
Well.
Alright then.
Come on, Naka Face.
I want to say that happy birthday, Magaface. And you're 18, I'm 18. With the party.
Okay.
Am I not right? Am I not right?
Darcy Moreno. Darcy.
It's your turn. Oh my god.
Okay, with that one.
Why? Hey, do the face, do the face.
See, I amazed myself. You're one of a kind.
I know.
Darcy Moreno.
My turn?
Yes.
Okay.
Go. Okay, I'm not gonna laugh.
I'm gonna start laughing. Am I red?
No.
Okay.
Just a little.
Okay, mine's gonna be sincere. Happy 18th birthday, and I love you, Yesenia.
Kiss his back.
Oh, who should I say?
Come on, you got 7 seconds.
I
6.
want to say thank you everybody for